Yo, love. What's up, man? Where them gloves at?
I got some of them. Huh?
You still ain't sold them gloves?
Man, I'm trying to. Niggas is broke these days.
I don't think you applying yourself, Lonnie. Where the money at?
Right here, Sibo. Damn, that's crazy. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 102.
That's $91, Lonnie. Playing with my product is like playing with my emotions.
Sibo! You the last nigga products I play with. I steal my mama gloves before I steal your shit, and you know this, man.
I'm gonna be back here at 10 o'clock on the dot, Lonnie. Not 10:01, not 10:30. And if you ain't got my product or my money, I'm gonna call for you, your dad, your mom, your neighbors, the dog, your pillow, your toothbrush, your co-workers. You got that?